Alright guys, welcome back to another Amiga video. So as you all know, I have made, I think, 5 or 6 part Amiga 500 crystal case limited edition videos together with this newly built purple Amiga 500 plus motherboard. So I love this. Let's get some light. No, that's too much. There we go. I love this. I love it's transparent. I love that I can see all the chips. I love that I can see the purple color. I can see my SF500. Everything is beautiful except one thing. One thing, and that is the floppy drive. The beauty of these drives, they were spinning, okay? While they were spinning, they have this head that gets moved by this motor that will turn, so the head will go back and forth and it will load games and it will make the classical nostalgic sounds, and I love all the mechanical aspect of it. So I said to myself, I will take this one out. This is the top cover for the floppy drive that goes in here, okay? I will take this one out and build one with a hole in the top with the mounting points and everything, so I can put this one in and slide the drive inside here. So at video part 5 or 6, I don't remember now, just search Amiga 500 crystal case RETROCENGO and you can see all the videos I have made with this beautiful case. I think you can still buy them. Few left. Go in and order them, guys. They're just great build. Everything is just perfect. Go in at A1200.net. It's beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Also in different colors. Oh my God, I love this. So let's say video number 6, okay? So I said there, if some of you guys are interested in something like this, please let me hear. And I ordered actually 10 of these. Dude, same day I had to make that 10 order to 30. The next morning I ordered 50 because of you guys were like, I want one. And I don't know the exact price of these. So over 50 and I was like, okay, stop. So a lot of buyers are ready for this. People likes the idea, I think. So yeah. So I said that I want 50 of these, and as you can see, I've got this, I want to call it for prototype, but the company, the guy at the company, he said that this was the best they could do. And the issue is, as you can see, we have got this little mounting hole up here, okay? And if you can see here on the original, it has got a bend in the metal, as you can see in here. So that little metal piece, this one, will slide in here and you will screw that at the top. So that's not the biggest issue. I could drill a hole here, that's it. But the company can't do this. And I was like, if I want to sell these to the Amiga community, I'm not gonna make money. I don't care about stuff like that. But if I want to give the same happiness for other crystal case owners, then I want them to get a plug and play solution, not something they should drill and, you know what I mean. When you get it, you should just take this one out and put it in the new one and plug and play. I want everything to be easy. So when this is not possible, then I was thinking, how about the sides? As you can see, they have got this same three-dimensional hole here on the side. So again, they have put these one in, but and then it is pretty accurate, I think. But the thing is, when I glide it in, because of it's not banged in here, the drive will move to the sides, few millimeters. That's not cool, guys. So this solution is just, as you can see, they have the holes here, they have the mounting holes here. Look at this, just like the originals. I mean, it's, so their machine can't make those holes, so so this part 7 of this crystal case update video thing, I wanna say, look at this beauty. It could be so cool, man. But I wanna say that I have to abandon this project. It was an idea, it was a dream of mine, but I've asked 2 other companies here in Denmark, and both of them was they could do something like this, but not those holes. I don't know why it's so hard. Yeah, it is what it is, guys. So this project is dead. Oh, this beauty. I love this beauty. Should we get some light in here? No, man. There we go. So, the Amiga 500++ board, I absolutely love it. First of all, when you build one of these, if you have a mechanical keyboard that I wanted this one to have, with the chicken lips and everything and the clicking sounds, I love it. If you want to use something like that, don't put sockets on the RAM because then it will hit the keyboard when you put it in. So I have put on sockets down here, round ones, they're really sticky. It's so hard to take out the chips now, but they're not in the way if you just put in a normal sized keyboard, you know, the standard ones. These ones will fit in perfect and they will not hit the chip RAM down here. So it is what it is. Just be aware if you want to use the newer old cabinet, old keyboard, sorry. So that's the first thing I want to say. The next thing, love this beauty. It's rock solid. It plays absolutely amazing. I have made, check out part 1, you can see all the greatness here. I love my Spitfire 500. You guys are asking if I sell them. I don't. But I have seen one guy on eBay sells them for 100 and it was 100 and 120, now it's like 140 I think euros, and it runs at 7 or 14 megahertz, and I have put this one to run at 14 megahertz. I can feel it's on, but it's not hot, so it runs at 14 megahertz. It gives me 8 megabytes of fast RAM, and we have got onboard 2 megabyte chip RAM. We have got the ECS Denise chip. We have got the beautiful Gary and Paula. Paula is the same from Amiga 1000 to 4000. We have got the fattest Agnes ever for this series. So we're using 2 megabytes of chip RAM. We have 1 megabyte onboard here, and we have another megabyte of chip RAM over here. And this board is so beautiful because if I want, then I can populate this one. I can just cut it up and put it at the Gary socket. So it's a built-in Gary adapter on the PCB board. And I have got, you know, you can see here 512, 512K. And I can put in 512 here, and it has got a socket underneath for a 512. So it can work as a 2 megabyte RAM expansion if I want. But I didn't do that. This one has got 1 megabyte RAM. And it's programmed, set up for chip memory, so I love this. The Fat Agnes uses it as 2 megabytes of chip RAM. All my Amigas need to have 2 megabyte chip RAM. Everything else doesn't work for me. And we have got this IDE to compact flash adapter. We have got a I don't know how many megabytes, but it's just filled with games. Love this board. So I have got an external Go check. So when I wanted to boot, I was like, man, it's so cool because this board has got built-in boot selector. It's so cool. As you can see now, it says DF0, and I can move these two jumpers to DF1. Let's skip that song. And it's cool and it works, then it will boot from the external device. But the dumb thing is the placement of these jumpers, because when you install your floppy drive, I mean, yeah, you know what I mean, right? Why didn't they just move it a bit down? I mean, it could be great. So it is there, the function is there, but it's pretty hid beneath everything else. So beautiful system, guys. I'm in love with this. We have got, you know, I can put in a battery. I don't know why, but other than that, rock solid system. Go ahead and build these. Go ahead and buy one of these cases. They're beautiful. This project is abandoned. This is GitHub open source Spitfire 500. You can build it yourself. Okay, so great with the Amiga community, all the new stuff. Can you imagine in 2023 you can get new case, new RAM, new motherboard, build your own expansion, have dreams that dies? But you know what I mean, guys. I think it's so cool that we have these possibilities. So what a great community we have got. Thank you for watching, guys. I wish you all a great day out there. Now go ahead and enjoy your Amigas.